how to enable dark mode in Google Maps on your iPhone. Here's how to do it. First, open the Google Maps app on your iPhone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, tap Settings. Then tap on the App and Display. Now, tap Dark Mode. You'll see three options: On, Off, and Same as Device. To always use dark mode in Google Maps, select On. If you want Google Maps to follow your iPhone's appearance settings, choose Same as Device. The change will be applied immediately, and Google Maps will switch to the dark theme. If you don't see the dark mode option in your version of Google Maps, the app may automatically follow your iPhone's appearance settings. In that case, open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap Display and Brightness, and select Dark to enable dark mode system-wide. And that's it! You've successfully enabled dark mode in Google Maps on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, app tutorials, and how-to videos.